I'm really hesitant to try this because my hair's clean, but apparently if you use this mousse on your dry hair, you get insane volume. This has been sitting in my closet for so long and I just saw somebody else use it, so okay, I'm gonna try it. The other girl put it in and then blow dried it in, so I'll do that. I'm nervous. If this screws up my hair, I'm gonna be really mad. No turning back now. I think I made a mistake. Maybe not. I'm gonna just blow dry this side so we can compare. I just don't know how to rub it in. Okay, I'm impressed. Mainly impressed because there's like no residue left over in my hair. It still feels clean. It doesn't feel dirty like most mousses make your hair feel. I'm gonna do the other side. I think we just discovered the best volume hack, okay? My hair still looks so good. It still looks shiny, it still looks clean. Game changer.